Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cute smoky winged kind of eyeshadow look, and I'm actually inspired by my good friend Alani. If you guys have not checked her out, check her Instagram out. She's so talented and I'm sure you guys will love her stuff if you love my stuff. But yes, I'm going to be doing a look inspired by her, and I'm going to start off with Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. So I'll apply this and then I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have that on, I'm going to be creating this look by using the Morphe's 35X Big Pimpin palette. This palette is really, really pretty. This is perfect for, you know, that everyday soft glam yet buildable deepening kind of palette, because it has a lot of warm tone browns, good for everyday, but also a hint of color, but nothing like crazy bright. With Alani's look, hers was a little bit more cold toned, I feel. Cold tone, grayish, but I'm gonna go a little bit more on the warm side and do a little twist to it. So I think what I'm gonna do first is, I think I'm gonna go in first with this color called Beauty Secret. I'm going to take this color Beauty Secret on a Morphe M514 brush. So I'm just going to start by applying this to the center of my lid, working it forward, and then I'm going to go back as well. And on this side, I'm just going to like wing it out a little bit. Next, I'm going to grab this color called Power On. I'm going to apply Power On with a Morphe R37 brush, and I'm going to use this to blur out the edges of Beauty Secret. Then I'm going to go back in with the color Beauty Secrets just to bring it back to life, blend it up. Next, I'm going to deepen this look by using the color Going Somewhere. I'm going to use the same brush, and then I'm going to just add this into the crease starting at the bottom and slowly blending up. Next, I'm going to grab this color called Epic Edge. I'm going to apply this color Epic Edge with a MAC 2, or actually this is a Morphe M514 brush, and I'm going to apply this in the same area in my crease, but since this is darker, I want to kind of like be careful with it and slowly take my time blending this out. Last but not least, I'm going to take this color called Smoke Show. Using the same brush, I'm just going to carefully add this in here to deepen this up just a little bit more. Next, I'm going to take a makeup wipe and I'm just going to kind of carve underneath here to sharpen it. Next, I'm going to take some more of that Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I'm going to take this on a Real Techniques Airbrush shadow brush, and I'm just going to use it to kind of create the shape I want, like a blurred cut crease kind of a thing. So I'm just going to add this here, but I want to make sure that I don't cover too much of this like dark brown that I have. Next, I'm going to take this color called Glam Room. I'm going to take this color on a Real Techniques domed shadow brush, and I'm just going to apply this right on top of that base. Then I'm going to go back with that dark brown color called Smoke Show, and I'm just going to kind of bring it back to life over here, blending it into this color here, and then also kind of like in the crease. Next, I'm going to do my winged liner. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner in black, and I'm going to do just a normal wing. I'm going to try to make this wing like a little bit thinner than I normally would do, and longer as well. Like that, really pretty. And I think now I'm going to add some shimmer. I'm going to use the NYX Cosmetics metallic glitter, loose glitter in the color Lumi-Light. It's kind of like a iridescent kind of glitter, which I really like on top of any mattes or other colors, because it can kind of like shift to the color that you add it to. I'm going to use the Anastasia glitter adhesive, but I'm kind of scared to like brush it on, so I'm just going to like tap it on my palette first. And then I'm gonna apply this glitter adhesive with a Sigma E55 eye shading brush. So I don't think I need a lot for this. I've never tried this glitter adhesive before, but I'm just gonna put it gently on top of this matte shade here in the front. I'm gonna try to avoid my liner since I already have it on. And then I'm gonna grab some of that Lumi-Light glitter and I'm just gonna tap lightly on those areas. I don't want it to be too thick or anything. And it looks like I need to add more of the adhesive. I think I'm just gonna try to brush it on really quick. And then I'm gonna go back in with the glitter and add that on top. Like that, super pretty. And now I'm going to quickly do my face and then I'll come back for the rest of the eye look. Okay guys, I finished the rest of my face and now I'm going to do the bottom part. I was going back and forth in my head on what I wanted to do, but I think I'm just going to fill it in like I always do. So I'm going to start with that first color, or actually I'm not going to use the first color because this one is probably going to be too light under my eye. So I'm going to go in first with this color called Beauty Secret. I'm going to apply Beauty Secret with a Sigma E57 firm shader brush. And I'm just going to apply this right underneath here. Next, I'm going to grab this color called Going Somewhere. And using the same brush, I'm just going to deepen this some more. Then I'm going to go in with this color called Epic Edge, and using the same brush, I'm going to apply this as well. Last but not least, I'm going to take this color called Smoke Show, and using the same brush again, I'm going to put this all throughout the bottom of my eye. Normally, I would brighten my waterline, but this time I'm going to keep it dark because I really want that like cat eye look. So I'm going to go in with this We Makeup eye pencil in the color Amber Brown. And I'm just going to fill in my waterline with this color. Next, I'm going to brighten my inner corner with this color called Power On. To apply Power On, I'm going to use this Morphe M507 brush, and I'm just going to put this in my inner corner. Next, I'm going to grab NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner, and I'm going to kind of create like a little loop in the front of my eye. And it's kind of hard to explain, so I'm just going to show you. But I'm gonna zoom in because it's gonna be hard to see from far away, but yeah. So I'm just gonna kind of go into the inner corner of my eye here and connect this part. And then I'm gonna basically draw down here and create a loop and then go up in here. I still kind of want to spice up the look a little bit more. Like, I feel like I could put like some gems like on that space since I have that space available. I'm going to apply some lash glue and then I'm going to grab the smallest one. Yeah, I think this will do exactly what I need it to do because I feel like it needed something else. Do the next size. Alright, like that. And now I'm gonna put some lashes on and I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I went with a smaller lash because we're going for cat eyes, so I didn't want anything too big and fluffy to make my eyes look bigger. I wanted something a little bit more short in length and also just like more short to long. These lashes are actually by Lavaa Los Angeles and they're in the style called Darling. Really pretty. But yeah, I really like how this look came out. It came out better than I thought it was gonna come out. But yes, I'm really happy with it, and I was inspired by my girl Alani. And although it's not exactly the same, like definitely was inspired to do something like more cat eye, more winged out from her. But yes, like this is so cute. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.